I'll walk you through how to import the downloaded template of the event tracker. Now, depending on how you last were in AppMaker, you may be presented with this dialog box, or it may dump you into the last app you were in. Um, However, I got this home dialog box, and our first task here is to create a blank application. So I'm going to hit Create New App button at the bottom here, and I want to select a blank application. Now, if I hadn't been offered that dialog box and I'd been dumped into my an app that I had been previously working on like this, I can always go to the main menu here and click New and then select blank from there as well. So the next thing we want to do, though, is to rename this app Event Tracking. Then we want to go to the main menu, and we're going to import zip. So select here, and we'll navigate to the location of our event tracking template zip download, which is in my download folder and may very well be in yours as well. So I select that, I hit open. Now it's going to say, hey, you're going to import this application. It's going to create all this stuff for you. Do you want it to overwrite what you have in there? And that's fine, because I just started with a blank application. So that's exactly what I want to do. So I select that, and then I hit the import button. It's going to do a number of things. Now you can see in the background that it's created all the pages, and it's created some of the data model. Now it's going to ask, hey, do you want to synchronize the data that we have in the Cloud SQL Server? And I go ahead and I hit continue. And here we have the app, and you can see all the parts of it that are in there, from scripts to pages to the data model. So let's go ahead and preview this fella. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. I'm going to hit the preview button in the upper right. Now it should ask us to let Google access some of our Google services. So we go ahead and click through here. We hit allow. We presented with another one for Google Cloud access. We hit allow. Nice thing about preview is that it simulates what your users will see once you publish the app. There's a few things in preview mode that are unique to it that allow you to sort of troubleshoot issues that might crop up before you actually publish the app. There's two sections here that won't show up for the once you publish it, but nice to have in preview mode, which is the upper portion here where you can navigate to different pages. And then a log down here if there's any errors that pop up because of your scripting or page elements or what have you. Now, one little trick is if you see my cursor change, I can make this larger or smaller, okay? Or if I double click on it, it can disappear altogether, and if I double click, it comes back.